Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the SafeMoon. What's the current price of the SafeMoon, and especially this video is very important for all SafeMoon holders. Keep watch this video till the end friends, must watch for holders friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of you, if you listen my voice, so please help me and click the subscribe button, like this video for updates. Thank you so much for subscribing AB's Tech channel friends. Start the video friends and let's move on. So the current price of the SafeMoon at this time in the market is $0.006 dollar is the current price of the SafeMoon. On the other side, if you look, the price is okay in the SafeMoon, so absolutely the last 1 hour as positive, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy today to see this price is okay in the SafeMoon is again positive, and I hope that this jump will continue for a long time, and SafeMoon can going to hit $0.01 dollar and this jump friends. Otherwise, if you look the last 1 day, last 1 week price is okay in the SafeMoon, so the previous change is as going negative, but that's good that now this time the last 1 hour pricing as positive. So thanks God for this positive change friends. Let's see my friends the price chart for more details and for better understanding friends. As you can see here now, this time the last 1 hour pricing as going positive, and the SafeMoon will take a quick jump. Absolutely, this is a quick jump at this time. In the last 1 hour, the Cardano, the Dogecoin, XRP, Ripple coin, Kesho, Shibano, VeChain, these coins take a jump in the last 1 hour friends. So they are going better and they are going positive, so I'm very happy. But if you look, the pricing is occurring in the last 1 day, so the pricing is still negative, but I hope with the passage of time the pricings will become positive and they will give you a good amount of profit in the last of this month friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about SafeMoon? Please also share in the comment box. And I believe that the SafeMoon are going to hit $1 dollar, $0.01 dollar, and the last of this month if this kind of jumps continue in a SafeMoon friends. So absolutely SafeMoon will make you millionaire, and this month if this kind of prices occur in a SafeMoon. My friends, don't decide to sell it this time friends. If you are a mod, so you decide you can sell, but if you're not made, so please I suggest for all of you and I request all of you that it's time to hold. That is the quick jump, and that is just the beginning. The big jump of the SafeMoon are coming soon. Wait for it and be patient. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. Click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos.